Dude, it took my character like 5 tries to climb the ladder. What the fuck? Are you just hovering a chopper, Obi?
Oh, he's making potato salad.
Potato salad.
Oh shit! Oh, again. Very good. All right. This is me. This is me. This is my brain on potato salad.
My brain on potato salad. That's just funny.
This is your brain.
This is your brain on potato salad. You like potato salad, don't you, Mike?
Yeah. Eating a bit. It's not like it's like bacon. Yeah, like coleslaw too.
I don't like coleslaw
yeah.
either. Oh damn, Obi, what's below us? That looks sick.
There's as many different ways to make potato salad as there is coleslaw, or vice versa.
What about coleslaw?
Kind of like growing marijuana.
Salad?
There's as many ways to grow marijuana as there is growers, because everybody does something different. You know, every grower's got his own little thing, or her own little thing.
Yeah, I put a crystal in the bottom of my pot that makes my plant. Blah, 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 blah.
Alien Mike, are you a woman with a red afro?
That's me. Oh, my
Holy
character
shit.
anyway.
Wanna date me?
Want to date me too?
Wanna date me? I'd wanna date me. I'd wanna date me real hard.
I'd date rape me twice a day.
Damn, Obi, what'd you just do?